Hello guys, just a quick video. Today I'm gonna give you a tip on how to solve like an emergency EGR failure. Like most of the time, if you unplug the EGR, it can temporarily work, like the plate, the valve can open, or the computer can like accept the values and let the car start. So if you're in an emergency that your car doesn't start, you get EGR valve error codes, I would recommend to try to unplug the cable to the EGR. I hope this video was helpful. It was a really quick one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.